Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. Today I took a trade on RHE, that is Regional Health, and it was a roller coaster ride because of its price action. Catalyst wise, there was no news, but it was in the top 10 leading gapper at that time when the market opens. Leading gapper ACIU had a good catalyst but failed to keep up the momentum, and it kind of like fall in the hands of the short seller immediately after market opens. Initially, I was hesitant to take a trade on RHE mainly because of its price action was not clear and I was unable to predict where it is going. That is whether it is leaning towards the bullish side or bearish side. Nonetheless, I took a trade on RHE on this candle. This was a bear trap and it flushed instantly, and during that price action I got filled at $12.10 for 500 shares, and I was just shocked like what happened in that same candle in that 1 minute. Okay, so this was the almost like 30-minute duration where I was holding 500 shares just to hoping that it will curl up and I will end up in a green. Now, because at one point I was deeply in red, almost like $500, and at that moment, it basically wiped out all my gains from the past week. I was just praying for it to recover, and that what exactly happened, but it took almost like 30 minutes. So I when it recovered back, I was so impatient that I sold all my 500 shares at 12.15, just merely 5 cent per share profit. So that makes my gain on this trade around $24.50, which is quite insignificant considering the gain that I had last week. But hey, I just want to see this this trade from the optimistic view, because if if it didn't recover, if it had not recovered to 12.15 or even above that, I wouldn't be here making this video, green day recap video or something like that probably. And instead of losing money is just a quantity. Instead of losing money, what hurts the most is seeing your gains wiping away in an instant. So that's what happened today, and I did save myself from a big red day. I guess what I'm thankful for is like I got myself out of that very bad situation and got myself green. So that's a big plus for this trade, even though it's a small gain, and even though I had few red days with big drawdowns on this month. I gained almost like $800. So my goal was to go beyond $1,000, and if I had not had all those red days, I would have been close to my target, which was like earning $2,000. But I'm happy that I'm ending this month in a green with $800 more in my pocket. Learn a lot during this month, did some mistake, learn from it, and now I'm very cautious while taking a trade. But trading is kind of like you will never know what's going to happen next. Even though it's even though stock is showing the strong momentum at one point in time, it may fail completely or it may go up even higher. So that you just have to take it for what it is. You cannot expect to go into trading and expecting to be green on each and every day. Most of the best traders has probability of winning around 60 or 60 to 70%. So considering that, they are just a human, they lose money too, so do I. But this learning process is really fun, and this is a valuable skill. Like once you learn this, you can use this skill for any other trading, like forex trading, bitcoin trading, or any other trading firm in any other country. So that being said, I'm very happy that I'm ending this month in a green. um, Other than that, as a disclaimer or warning, like usual warning that trading is risky, please uh, do your own research and be familiar with the market. Once you are done with that, then only enter into the market with your real money, because if you don't know what you're doing, you will suddenly lose your money. Good progress this month, and as you can see here, let me show you my webull account, because today I took a trade in my webull account. So here is RHE. Now this $246 is not because of the today's trade. I took a trade on RHE even before today's trade, and I made money on that one too. But so these are the today's gain, $24.90. Um, Insignificant, but still significant. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in next trade recap.